All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to tighten up the parking brake on a 2013 Mazda 3. Now you can see this is very floppy. Obviously you can't get a good feel for just how loose it is, but it is extremely loose. You can pull it all the way back and it will not stop the vehicle. So something needs to be done with this. It needs to be tightened up. And yes, those are pretty sweet Hello Kitty seat covers. Now, the first thing you need to do, and really the only thing you need to do, is remove the cup holder that is also surrounding the parking brake. For this, I'm just using a very small flathead screwdriver, and there are 3 clips on each side that hold it into place, one in the middle, and then one on either end for the driver's side of this thing. And it's pretty similar on the passenger side, but once you get the driver's side off, everything kind of can pop off fairly easily. And just lift up and out of the way, and it'll just slide up and forward over the parking brake. Now, to tighten it, there is a 10mm nut on the parking brake cable. You can see it down there, and you can see just how loose it is. So there's no engagement until there. Then it starts engaging, but that is way too loose to effectively stop the vehicle with the parking brake. And this is a 10mm, so you could use a socket or whatever you got, but it is a 10mm and you do need to tighten it. So it's righty-tighty, and it'll pull the cable up and make it tighter so it'll engage sooner. So that's a little bit better, but that's still quite a few clicks. So if you just pull the parking brake up, it'll click maybe 7 or 8 times, but I want it to start engaging at around the 2nd or 3rd click and not wait till you have to get up to 5 or 6 clicks to start even engaging the parking brakes. So I'll tighten the 10mm bolt again. And like I said, I want it to start engaging at about the 2nd, maybe the 3rd click, as opposed to starting to engage on like 8th or 9th clicks as you move up. So you can see the cable's got a little bit of play, but not too much. So it'll be slack when it's in the fully off position, but as soon as you start engaging that parking brake, it'll start putting the brakes on and engaging them much sooner. So I do have a driveway with a bit of a slope, test it out on there, and it's working fine. Previously, not only would it not stop the vehicle, it wouldn't even hold it in place. So I'll just replace the cup holder. Obviously you gotta feed the parking brake through that little slot, and then just re-engage the 3 clips that are on each side of the cup holder. That's it. Pretty fast and easy. And really you could do this in less than 5 minutes. Thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.